I'm falling.
We're here!
And just throw someone else falling.
We're here! Intense adrenaline. Freaking loved it. I would start every morning with a class like
that. You are my tribe, so I know you need a vacation. And I also know you're committed to your transformation. That's why we now have a transformation fused with an amazing vacation.
You'll address old beliefs that, when shifted, allows for you to surpass where you've ever gone before. You'll unleash new, untapped confidence, clarity, energy, and joy.
More than 37 hours of transformational work.
When you can create your big breakthrough in 8 days.
I've forgotten how to play and how to dream and how to love. And these past 7 days, Lisa Nichols, her brilliant staff, had really created a safe environment for everybody at the retreat to rediscover themselves.
So you're invited to come to the place where superheroes come to take their cape off. Rest, relax, rejuvenate, reconnect, reinvent, push past where you normally would stop, and find that next best version of yourself.
Thank you all for making me feel safe, because I feel that you see me, who I really am, and I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Join us.